A reminder to my friends who are helping out in front that we are on our best shark behavior. Our shark mascots, make sure you're very careful. We have some wires on the floor. We don't want anyone to get tripped and get hurt. That would be the worst thing to happen at a shark assembly. All right, you guys ready to get started today? All right, we're going to start off like we always do with Mr. Topa and the Shark Song. Song. All right, we're going to jump right into things today because we have a lot of awards to give this afternoon, which just really makes my heart very warm and happy. So for shark tickets, you know you earn shark tickets by exhibiting shark behaviors. We've only had a couple weeks since our last assembly, and I thought, oh, we won't have that many tickets. Wrong. 149 tickets. And Ms. Turco's class is winning a pizza party! So congratulations to Ms. Turco's class, congratulations to everyone. We'll continue doing our Monday raffles, and you'll have opportunities for your class to win a pizza party with Sergeant Massey. All right, so we did not have a mystery shark for this assembly because it's only been 2 weeks since we last met. But our next assembly is January 17th, so it's time for a new mystery shark. And the clue is, this month's mystery shark has visited the Arctic Circle. So you can see on the map, the Arctic Circle is the very, very tippy tip of the world. Wonder who it could be. All right, right now we are in the middle of our December kindness challenge. How many people, by raising your hands, have completed an act of kindness today? Wow. Wow. You guys put the K in sharks for sure. How many people have finished their kindness challenge board? Wow. Okay. As promised from this morning's shark announcement, because we have been doing such an awesome job with our kindness challenge, next Friday, the last day of school before we go on vacation, is an all-school pajama day and a movie day in the gym all together. success, and we have quite a few nominees today. Before I start calling people's names, for those of you who have nominated a student or a staff member, I'm going to ask that when you're speaking about that student or staff member that you have the microphone and you're a little closer to the center here. Last time I noticed we just kept going further and further. So I'm trying to stay towards the middle. And for our audience members, we really want to listen carefully to all the wonderful things that are being said about our classmates and the other teachers. Okay? Can we do that? Excellent. Drum roll, please. All right, this month's members, there's a lot. Whoa. Okay, I'm going to read them out from kindergarten. Angelica Chilakova, Malia McDonald, Jaden Smith, Elliot Lincoln, Kyle Butter, Sophia Deljusi, Felix Lapick, and Atlas Parker. From first grade, Aubrey Lindhairs, Joe Sean Smith, Lily Emery, Theo Schreiner, Lydia Fulcher, and J.D. Monte-Torres. From second grade, we have Cora Hosbacher, Miguel Santana, Sasha Saint, Pierre, Jameson Hessler, Jenna McBride, Gemma McBride, Luke Sweeney, and Austin Edwards. From third grade, Charlotte Harrington, Wesley Webster, Eleanor Meyer, Cynthia Meyer, Callie Gilly, Jackson Coffey. From fourth grade, Caleb Forbes, Aria Baldwin, Manasseh John Baptiste, Noah Santos, Brittany De La Rosa, Ashley Quinones Perez, Catherine Vasquez, Sadie Blair, Itima Flores, and Conrad Covington. And for staff, Mrs. Melanson and Mr. Gessner. Let's start them off with a big round of applause for all of these nominees.
All right, I'm going to start with kindergarten. I nominated Felix and Atlas this week because both of these boys show kindness in absolutely everything they do. They start each morning before they even go to their puppies to make sure they come in to say hello. They are kind to each other. They are always smiling, always helpful, always kind and considerate. So, gentlemen, absolutely wonderful job. Anybody?
Joe Sean's not here, so I'll just talk about Bobby. This student is like a pocket full of sunshine, always beaming with positivity and enthusiasm. What sets her apart is her unwavering dedication to giving her best shot at everything she does. She does not compare herself to others, but looks within herself and her best qualities, and using those to show her best self. She's an amazing friend who's always there to lend a hand and a smile to anyone in need. She's a true role model, and we're lucky to have her brightening up our classroom every day all week.
All right, I chose Austin because he's artistic, he's ambitious, he's never afraid of a challenge, he's amazing, he has many talents, he's awesome, Austin. So nice job, Austin. I chose Gemma because she's joyful, she's very happy, she's generous, she's kind and giving to others, she's genuine, she's a loyal, honest friend, she's genial, which means she's friendly and cheerful. Nice job, Gemma. is Luke. He's level-headed, which means he's very thoughtful, makes good decisions. He's lively, which means he's happy and he's full of life. He's loyal, he's a good friend to all the people in the class. And he's lovable. Who doesn't love Luke, right?
I nominated Jaden Torres because he's always being polite, patient, and thoughtful when he comes into the nurse's office. Just this week, he even offered me one of his own tickets for helping me, which was so sweet. So thank you, Jaden, for being such a kind and thoughtful shark. Congratulations.
Go in the middle. All right, I nominated Caleb. Caleb has been doing an awesome job this year. He's one of the first students that comes in the classroom in the morning. He comes in right away, gets on task, and gets right to work. And he keeps that momentum up throughout the day. He's a great worker. And I would like to particularly recognize his efforts in reading. He's been really working hard in reading and has made some awesome progress. Keep up the great work, Caleb. Oh, sure. I didn't realize that Miss Shannon also nominated my friend Peter.
I am so proud to nominate Caleb Forbes to the Sea of Success. Caleb knows what it takes to succeed. He has worked so hard at his reading and spelling skills and has been making tremendous progress. He comes to reading with this goal in mind: hard work equals success. Not only does Caleb demonstrate his hard work and effort on the basketball court, he is a national star player, if you did not know. But he also does this in school. Congratulations, Caleb, and welcome to the Sea of Success.
Where's Aria? Oh, there she is. I also nominated Aria. Aria has done an awesome job as well this year. She is super focused, a hard worker, and she follows all of the shark expectations consistently. Aria as well has really worked very hard in reading, and I recently tested her on her, and she bumped up a couple levels, and kudos to you, Aria. Keep up the great work.
So I nominated Charlotte Harrington. Charlotte is an incredibly hard worker. She sticks with the task, even if it is really difficult. Charlotte never gives up. Keeping this in mind, Charlotte never leaves a classmate behind. She's a strong mathematician, and if she sees a classmate struggling, she'll share her strategies with them, and she'll share her math strategies with the whole class during our whole group lesson. This is why I nominated Charlotte Harrington. And I nominated Wesley. He is one of the most patient students I've ever taught. He displays this with his friends and classmates all the time. He encourages them to do the right thing, follow directions, work out conflicts. If there's an argument, you'll hear him say really calmly, "Come on, guys." And they stop and they listen to him and they work out whatever the problem is. He's also one of the first ones in class. If there's a mess, to clean it up, and it's hardly ever his mess. And after he cleans it up, he doesn't ask for a coupon. He just goes about doing what he's doing. So these are the reasons I nominated Wesley.
It's always hard for me to narrow it down because I'm looking out at amazing artists all around me. But I nominated my friend Elliot for Sea of Success in Art because he has worked really hard to come in, quiet his body, be a good listener, and be super focused on art. So I'm super proud of you, Elliot. I'm so sad my friend Kyle is not here today. But Kyle, every single time he walks into the art room, walks in with a kind and positive attitude. He is ready to go and ready to make art, and he works so very hard. I also, in kindergarten, nominated Miss Sophia down there. Sophia also works very hard in art, and somehow she always manages to add a little spark to her artwork, her own little individual touch. So congratulations to Sophia. In third grade, Eleanor and Cynthia, I could call them my studio assistants. Whether it is in art class or in art club, they are my right-hand women and help me out so much in so many different ways, and they always do a great job with their art projects. I also nominated Callie and Jackson, who always come into art with a positive attitude. No matter what the project is, they are enthusiastic, and they seem so happy about it, with big smiles on their faces, and they're always super focused. So congratulations, thank you for, and always so polite. In fourth grade, I nominated Manassi, who I guess isn't here today. And Manassi, on our totem pole project that we're working on, worked so independently, found his resource picture of his whale, was super focused on it. I didn't have to tell him when to clean up. He always stays after and tries to help me in every way he possibly can. So appreciative of him. And Sadie and Catherine, also in fourth grade, who work so independently and have their own individual styles and have really been killing it in art this year. So thank you, girls.
Bear with my voice. Tanto Brittany como Ashley han trabajado muy duro este año. Están haciendo un excelente trabajo aprendiendo inglés. Venir a la escuela nueva es difícil, especialmente cuando no hablas el idioma, pero ambas chicas han mantenido actitudes positivas. Estoy muy orgullosa de ellos, porque ellas, y espero que sigan haciendo grandes cosas. Or for the rest of us, both Brittany and Ashley have worked really hard this year. They're doing an excellent job learning English. Coming to a brand new school is hard, especially when you do not speak the language. But both girls have kept positive attitudes. I'm very proud of them and expect them to keep doing great things.
Alright, so I nominated Cora, Sasha, Jameson, and Miguel. Cora is a shark. She is hardworking, always tries her best, participates, and is kind. She is also a leader. While she is quiet, she was an awesome role model for her classmates. Awesome job, Cora. Sasha is also a wonderful example of a shark. She always includes her classmates and celebrates their successes. She works hard and stays on task. She is also an awesome friend. Great job. Jameson is a shark because he is very accepting and kind. He is always ready to help his classmates in any way he can. He always strives to do his best work. Nice work. Miguel is a shark because he is hardworking and tries his best to stay on task. He always volunteers to help his teachers when they need something, and he accepts all of his classmates when they are playing. Great job, Cora, Sasha, Jameson, and Miguel.
Hello everyone, I nominated Lydia and Lily, first grade. Lydia has been creating lot of success, not only for herself, but for others in our class. She's worked especially hard in reading, has jumped up a level, and is ready to jump to the next level. And in the beginning of the year, it didn't really seem as if reading was her favorite thing. She loved sharing books with friends. She loved listening to books being read, but she wasn't so enthusiastic about reading them herself. But she worked through those feelings, she persevered, and now she loves reading by herself, with anyone in the hallway, so much so that sometimes she wants to do it at recess. She's really grown as a reader. When she's taught a strategy, she uses it every single time. When you give Lydia a tool, she uses that tool every single time, and she helps other people use those tools. She's very positive, always kind, always helpful, loves school, and lets everyone know. Thank you, Lydia. Lily Emery embraces our SHARK values on a daily basis. The S in success is all capital letters for Lily. Lily puts forth her best effort in all subject areas and meets every challenge with a radiant smile and enthusiasm. Her enthusiasm is contagious to all her classmates. She loves learning and asked to do extra work in her spelling binder during recess out on the playground. Recently, she attracted a lot of attention from other kids doing this, so much so that everybody was walking away and they were like, I want a binder like that. But it wasn't the binder that they wanted. What they really wanted was to feel joyful the way Lily was feeling, and to feel successful the way Lily was feeling. Everybody wants that, right? Thank you, Lily, for sharing your enthusiasm with all of us.
Ladies, Malia, Angelica, thank you. You two told me that you wanted the higher level book for our Power Word reading, and you worked so hard, and now you're reading those books. Great work, great job, thank you.
So excited. You know, I'm up here to nominate a couple great students, and I really liked today that I heard a lot of people saying somebody was doing really well in math, somebody was doing really well with their reading. I know when we go to school, we all have subjects that we enjoy. Some of them can be a little bit challenging sometimes. When I was in elementary school, I thought math was a little bit challenging for me. But I got some help from some friends and some teachers. And some people up here have been doing really well with their subjects. Mr. Conrad and Mr. Eaton they each have personal goals that they're working towards, and they have done a great job coming in, getting started on those goals, and staying focused. So Conrad and Ethan, being very mature, putting a lot of hard work in fourth grade. Well done, guys.
Okay, we're almost through with student nominations. If I could have everyone just turn around so everyone can see your beautiful faces. Excellent. So this last nomination is a student nomination, and as many of you know, Dr. Kelly has to go through a lot of meetings, right? That's why my door's closed sometimes, because I'm in meetings. And sometimes in those meetings, we talk about kids. There's one kid's name who's been coming up over and over and over again. Miss Peters and I were talking about this, about how this one student has really impressed us this year, that he has been so kind, looking out for others, taking turns, and that's Noah Santos. So congratulations, Noah. Let's do one last big round of applause for all of our students, and then you can go back to your seats, please. All right. Well, we do have
supportive and kind. All of her students love to be in her classroom. She makes her classroom a safe and inclusive place for everyone. Mrs. M is also a great helper to other teachers like me. Good job, Mrs. Melanson.
One time I got a prize from her. She like me happy. I love money reading. Some awesome into somebody help me food how to one at more reading. Here's best.
Awesome. Thank you so much. That was so very special. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's time for Sharks on stage. So we're going to have some musical performances this afternoon. I believe we need the trumpets and the drummers to Mr. Topa.